All right, good morning, second grade students. Today for math, you watch the Lesson 13 Eureka math lesson on using math drawings to represent subtraction with and without decomposition and relating drawings to a written method. So today we're going to be going through just a couple of examples from the Lesson 13 homework sheet. So let's first read what our directions are asking for here. All right, so it says that we need to solve vertically and to use the place value chart and chips to model each problem. So we're going to show how you change 110 for 10 ones when it is necessary. And it says the first one has been started for you. All right, so they want us to solve vertically. So remember, this is horizontal. So vertically, we need to write going up and down. So we would write this as 42 minus 26. Now it says that the first one has been started for you. So you notice that over here on our place value chart, they have already moved a 10 over and made 10 ones here for us. So looking at this problem, we know we can't take 2 minus 6. We don't have enough. And that's why they had to cross off a 10 and move that over into our ones place. So this bottom number is going to be very key because this is what we are going to be crossing off over here. So again, 2 minus 6 we can't do. So the equivalent of crossing off a 10 and making 10 ones would be the same as taking 4, crossing it off, making it 3, and remember now we're taking 110 and we're making it 10 ones. So we need to add 10 to 2, so 10 plus 2 gives us 12 then. So that means over here what we need to do is this is the number that we want to cross off. So we want to cross off this amount. So not 26, we just want to cross off the 6. So from the really small dots that they have here, we are going to cross off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. All right, so 12 minus 6 gives us 6. And when we count up the dots over here in our ones place, we should also have 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know we did that correct. And then we can take 3 minus 2, and that gives us 1. So we know that 42 minus 26 gives us 16. All right, so let's jump down to B here. All right, so this one, they did not start for us. So again, remember, they want us to solve vertically. So let's write this out vertically first. So 54 minus 28 and our equals. All right, so again, we cannot take 4 minus 8. So we need to borrow 10. So again, 5 becomes 4. And now that we took 10, 10 plus 4 gives us 14. Now on our place value chart, remember, we want to cross off this amount. So we want to cross off 8. So first we need to take 1 from our tens place, cross that off, and then we're going to draw a little arrow over here, and then we're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to have 10 dots, and now remember we want to cross off 8 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now 14 minus 8 gives us 6, and we should have 6 dots left over on our place value chart. So let's count these up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we can take 4 minus 2, and we get 26 for our answer. All right, and last one here we're going to look at is 60 minus 17. So again, let's start by writing this vertically. So 60 minus 17 equals. All right, so we have to look in our ones place. We cannot take 0 minus 7. So we have to go over to our tens place and borrow a 10. So 6 becomes 5. And then 10 plus 0 gives us 10. So now we need to do the same thing on our place value chart. We're going to cross one off, draw our arrow, and draw 10 dots. All right, so remember, this is the amount we want to cross off. So we need to cross off 7 dots. Now 10 minus 7 gives us 3, and we have 1, 2, 3 dots that are left over. And then we can take 5 minus 1, which gives us 4. All right, and that is our worksheet for today's lesson.